You get crazy when you just think about falling asleep. Inside and outside, it's like, you don't know how, why, and everything you tried, it's not working. So you're anyway awake. Come on, stand up and do something. Move your body. Use your body. How do you want to move? Shaking, dancing, walking around, taking a run around your house 3 times. Whatever it is, go for it. And we meet us here after your movement. Welcome back. Are you ready now? Did you activate your body? The last pieces who had to get out? Then put directly the index finger on your forehead and move your finger from up to down, really pressing down. This is calming your nervous system and it's helping you to fall asleep. Have a beautiful night.